all these NetApp hardwares, NetApp software or storage box would be, it's an appliance basically. What is an appliance? Can someone tell me what is an appliance?
So something which is having software and hardware both.
Correct, correct. So this NetApp software is integrated on these fast boxes. So wherever you find NetApp being used, it means NetApp will have its own hardware. Unlike your operating system, like you have Linux or Windows or any which would be installed in any of your hardware, this will not work like this. This is installed on its own hardware. Okay, so remember that it will be installed on fast boxes. Apart from fast boxes, NetApp had also uh, different series of fast box. I mean different series of hardware, E series and V series, but those were not successful. Okay, so don't be surprised if you find an NetApp hardware which is not a fast box. Okay, but 95% of all the environment or all over the market, you would find that people are using fast boxes. Okay, so we are going to understand how fast boxes what is the what are the different features of fast boxes, how different ports on fast boxes perform. We will understand on these fast boxes. I just taken an older version of fast boxes which has a fewer number of ports. Okay, so that you will have a proper understanding. So basically, these set of ports are available in each and in every fast boxes, but their count would differ based on the model number. Okay, so this is the old 2000 series model where the connectivity is very few. It is connected to only a one single shelf, and so sorry. And this is how it looked like basically. You will, starting off from the left, you will have something called as SAS ports. Now, what are SAS ports? SAS ports are something that you would use to connect to disk shelves. Okay, so controllers, as I told you, that controllers are connected to disk shelves. So these SAS ports, the cables are connected to disk shelves. Okay, before that, I want you to understand there is one important thing. Basically, NetApp fast boxes, the network would be divided into three parts. Let's understand that network is divided into three parts and from backend. Okay, SP or console network, management network, data network. Okay, this SPR console network, what does it mean? Basically, whenever your filer is down, or it is, when you're installing it for the first time, or if you're not able to connect, we are going to use this port. Okay, we are going to connect to that filer using this, network. Okay, whenever this is down. So this is basically a 100 MB connectivity, through which you can connect to the filer directly, or you can probably connect your laptop. Okay, whenever you're installing for the first time. So this is the console where when you're not able to connect to outside network, or whenever the system is down. Management network is something where you're using to manage that filer. Okay, you want to log into that filer, you want to make some changes, you want to have basically to manage end to end for a storage administrator, to log into the filer and do all the changes. Okay, so that would be a management network. So if you're not able to connect to the management network, what you will do, you will log into a console network. Okay, or even if this console network is not available, you will take you'll connect a laptop directly to that filer in the data center. Okay, this is data network, to manage data traffic. Through this you would be actually, all the data traffic is being transferred to the servers, applications, all that. So basically this is segregated from management and console network. This would be high-end 10 GB or 1 GB connectivity, wherein you're going to data is passed from filer to servers. Okay, so these are the three types of networks that you're basically going to see at the back end. Okay, I mean as an filer end. So when you're talking about these three networks, let us understand how these networks are connected from behind. Okay, let us see how things are connected here. Okay, I was talking about this. Okay, this 10 GB connectivity from, I mean, now you understand SAS ports are for connecting it to your disk shelves. Okay, now this 10 GB connectivity that you see is for data network. I was talking about three type of traffics. Okay, three type of networks. So this is for your data. So when you could actually connect your fiber channel cable and connect your 10 GB connection on these ports. Okay, so this will be again for your data traffic. And moving into your right more, there you see something called as console port. Okay, uh, console port is again, as I told you, for console traffic or a service processor, SP you call it as. Whenever your system is down, you can connect your laptop directly on this port. So this will be a fair console. Now towards your right, you see something called as Ethernet management. Okay, so this is again for your managing your filer. As I told you, there are three types of traffics: console, management, and data. So this will be your management traffic, where you're going to manage your filer through this port. So all the connectivity, all the switch, I mean, network would be connected on this port.